making it look unique, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing a product review on jewelry. Now, we all know I love my 14 karat gold filled layered pieces. I stumbled across Etsy. Etsy does have a lot of affordable pieces that you can look for if you're looking for jewelry, accessories, memorabilia, or even gift cards and things like that, crafty projects. They have it all. Now, this is my first time ever shopping from Etsy, so this is going to be my raw and authentic reaction to the pieces, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. So if it seems to interest you, give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe, and let's just get right into it. The first item I purchased is these beautiful brass earrings. So I got this from Crown and Clover, and these are double XL gold tone hoops, and I really like them. I just like how thick they are. As you can see, I'm going to show you the unboxing of everything and how the packaging came. I think they did a really good job with their packaging, just with how they made everything look very aesthetically pleasing. I just love the little confetti things they had in it as well, so I will show you that. I got these earrings in a 3-inch hoop, so if you wanted to know what size these are, they have that option. They have 2-inch and smaller, if that seems to fit your interest. These are 80mm hoops, and they're very thick and luscious, and that's what I was going for. I like how lightweight they are. They aren't heavy at all, and they're just like the perfect amount of fullness. They're nice and big, but they don't weigh down your ear. Now, I've never shopped with this company before or this boutique, and so far I really like the item. It's really nice. It is good quality. She did mention to keep the jewelry away from water, perfume, and body oils because to maintain its quality. The next item I got was this 18 karat gold filled Cuban link, and I really like it. The color is a lot darker than your typical gold, so I would just say be mindful with that. That's the only downside to this. However, it's really thick. If you want like that thick Cuban link look, this would be the perfect option for you. Now, onto the details. This is a 10mm in thickness and 15 inches in length. It does run a little close. I will show you in the try-on video, so just be mindful of that. I wish it was a little longer just to give me a little more wiggle room around the neck area. But this is a true authentic choker. If you really want it to be very tight for layering purposes, this would be a great option for you. It's really nice. It fits my neck perfectly, thank God, because if not, it would have not fit if my neck was a lot thicker. And if you do have a thicker neck, I would not recommend this. Clean it before and after use just to increase the longevity. With this, I don't know if you can wear this in the water, so I would just test it out, see if you can. If not, I would just stay away from water, perfumes, and body oils. With this brand, they didn't really have much with their packaging. I wish they did a lot more compared to the other boutiques. All they did was put in a little bag, add a little gift card, and that was pretty much it. Next up is this gold cross necklace that I got from Dinella Boutique. I hope I'm pronouncing that properly, but I really love this necklace. I wanted to get a cross necklace for layering purposes, and this one caught my eye. I like how it has the diamonds right here. I went with the dainty chain just because I didn't want it to be too dramatic and do too much. I went with style C because this is the cross that I was looking for. I will show you the different options between A, B, and C, and you can choose if you want a dainty necklace, Cuban link, and things like that. So it's based on your preference. You're customizing it to your liking. And overall, it's just perfect for layering. It's very lightweight, very perfect on the neck. I will show you a full video of how it looks, as well as I love their packaging. I think it was really nice. I like the bag that it comes in. It's giving you like a microfiber, very soft, perfect to store your pieces in. This did not come with a jewelry cloth, so you can wipe it if you have one in your vicinity. You can definitely check out Dinella Boutique. I will show you the different options that they have on their website. They have rings, bracelets, necklaces, anklets. The options are endless with this boutique. If you're looking for something more affordable and you don't want to break the bank in like the $30 to $50 range, I will recommend that you check out this boutique or even Etsy in general and find some pieces that can fit your need. In this segment of the video, I wanted to do a comparison between Etsy versus Thrift Coloris. So on the right side, I have a necklace, Cuban link, that I got from Thrift Coloris. This is what it looks like. Let me put them side by side so you can really look. You see, this one is a lot darker, so that's the only downside I don't like about this. I wish it was this color because this is giving me more of an authentic gold. It is a lot shinier, which I like, and this one's more rusty or rustic, I would say. And it's giving more of like a brass feel compared to this one. But based on this one or this one, I would have to go with this one just because of the coloring. But if it had this thickness, I would definitely go with this one. Next up is the earrings portion. Now on the left side, I have jewelry from Etsy. This is from Crown and Clover. And on the right side, there's the earrings from Thrift Coloris. So as you can see, you see the difference. I mean, these are a lot closer to color compared to the necklace. So I would give this a spot on comparison. I like both of them. They are very unique in their own way. This one's more bamboo and very streetwear, and this one's just a classic hoop everyday wear. So if it had to go the battle of both, I don't know. I really like this one just because that you can customize it, but I also like how hollow and very unique this one looks as well, and it is very lightweight and good quality. So I would probably base this on comfortability. I would have to go with this one. Last but not least, I'm going to compare my two dainty chains. The one on the right side is from Dinella Boutique on Etsy, and the one on the left side is from Thrift Coloris. They both are very dainty necklaces. They are unique in their own way. Obviously, one is a cross and one is a number plate. Now, if I had to choose based on the design between the two, I would have to go with the one from Etsy. I really love this cross, and I love how it just lifts off my chest, has good quality, and it's just very shiny. Now this one's really nice as well, very simple, so it's not much based on the designs, but this is good quality as well. If you wanted to know the different options between Thrift Coloris versus Etsy or Etsy boutique shops, now you guys know. If you know any companies that sell gold-plated or gold-filled jewelries, let me know down below as well. I would like to try out different brands, Black-owned brands, regular brands, just to do another jewelry review, product review on their items, and to tell you guys which one is a hit or which one is a miss. Okay guys, so that concludes the video. I hope you enjoyed this jewelry haul. Now, I want to know, are you guys feeling the Etsy haul, or are you feeling more the Thrift Coloris? I did do a spin on it and do a comparison so you can see the quality between the two. If you want something more authentic to the gold, I would say Thrift Coloris, but if you're more on a budget and you want something that is close to that but not spending too much, I think Etsy would be a perfect option. Check out the different boutiques, or even check out the boutiques that I mentioned in this video and buy some pieces for them. Try it out yourself, see how long they will last, if it will tarnish and things like that. I can't wait to try on these pieces, style them with different outfits. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and see you in the next video. Bye, guys.